holiday season and it's time for baking. We have a couple different things we're making and some authentic Italian recipes and family tradition recipes. So let's get started. For all of these different recipes, I will link the time stamp where each one of the recipes are so that you can skip ahead if you want. Tell me what we're making today.
We're making potato croquettes.
Okay. So what did you do already? You took
Boil
the,
the
You boil the potatoes, then you skin them. You boil them, skin them.
Skin them.
Then
Oh, the
you
whole
take this
potato
ricer,
skin out of them.
the potato ricer, and you squeeze
All right, go ahead.
the potato
Two
through
little
here
ricer,
to
like
make
that.
it finer.
okay.
You can't make a potato croquettes with a potato.
And you have to use a potato ricer because it takes the potatoes and makes it nice and fluffy.
Okay.
And then that's it. And then we have to get.
We have to start it up. So let me go put my shoes on and come back and do. I want 3 eggs.
Grandma, how many potatoes you do? One per person?
Oh, yeah,
One per person, yeah.
Make a hole now. Mommy, see, make a hole, see? Okay.
Okay, you make the hole.
All right, then you get. Well, yeah. Well, if it's for you and Wendy, you get 1 egg.
Okay, but I'm talking about for that.
Let's got 4 eggs in here.
Okay.
Salt, pepper,
Cheese,
Cheese.
Italian cheese.
How much Italian cheese?
oh,
It's actually to your taste. But she put a lot.
a lot of cheese in there.
Probably, I would say maybe a cup of
Half a
cheese.
cup.
Or half a cup?
Yeah.
Okay.
Then you mix it, you mix it, you see if it tastes good. I think then you put more cheese. Don't put the eggs, I put the eggs already in here. I put 4 eggs in here.
Okay.
So you can't have more than 4.
Okay.
And
And
a
she
little
put a
milk,
little bit of milk.
A little bit of milk, like.
butter.
Oh, and how much butter?
Oh, but I put a half.
Almost a stick.
Okay. Almost a stick of butter. Well, you have how many potatoes in there? A lot,
know,
right?
yeah.
12, 15?
Yeah, about 12. Yeah, 12, 15 potatoes, 60 potatoes.
Okay. So that's not that much for that many. Okay. And then over here, you take the cheese and you have to cut it in these slices like this. So they're about a little less than your finger, like a finger size.
Listen,
Because they have to go in the middle, you'll see.
let's go up that roll that salt and things. I too much way cooking this.
Get the mozzarella cheese.
Right.
Okay, we use these Italian style breadcrumbs. And you can just make a little tinfoil boat like this. breadcrumbs.
I want you to do it that way.
This is about 3 egg whites and beat them slightly. Okay, and then you take the potatoes.
We got 2 here.
You want 2?
No, I don't care.
Just let that one go. Somebody will get a surprise.
And you gotta wrap.
Wendy.
You gotta.
Okay, honey. They're gonna be like this, okay? Can be a little bigger, baby. Just a little bigger.
A little bigger than
A
that?
little, like a little, just that's all. Okay, I'm just showing you. No, not too still. You flatten it out too much, but don't
Too
flatten
much?
it out. No. Now you make it with your finger in the center, as much as you can.
Okay.
Okay. Now
And
fold
then
it.
roll it in there.
That's it, honey. Just handle it with care, like a little baby, you know.
All right.
All right, all right. And then you put it in here like this. You roll it around as much as you can. Get it all like suck. Get it all on there, okay?
Okay.
Then you take it. And you roll it. But you can roll it. You can roll it thinner, you know, but with the breadcrumbs. See? You know what I mean?
And you can make
Okay.
You can make a nice little log when it's
Okay.
in the breadcrumb because now the potatoes soft.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
And then
And then I think
Throw it in.
no, it's over here. All right, now go ahead, Ren.
Your acceptance is guaranteed.
Hold it around.
Guaranteed lifetime rate loss.
They won't need them burnt.
great job, great job, great job.
And with this plan, you can take your payments
Roll
Yeah, I see that.
to work with
You can make it smaller too.
Okay, we have a lot to roll, and then you fry them in the oil till they're golden brown, not burnt.
Oh! Put that one out in the middle, you know.
Treat and treat and treat.
What is that, Diddy?
Bruce.
Fruit. All right, Mom, get him out. Get him out. Let me take him. Sit down. Thank you, Janelle.
Mm-hmm. Okay, now we brought it out to the counter.
And we'll clean your hands off. Nice, like.
Yes, always have clean hands.
You have to get over
Because I don't make my
Olivia's
dough.
helping.
I don't make my dough hard.
No.
It's got to be soft. Understand?
See,
It's got
Olivia,
to be soft.
Hi, baby.
Olivia and Grandma are helping.
Watching Grandma.
We're helping. And tomorrow we do again.
Grandma, how old are you?
How old am I? Oh, please.
Oh, what? She's looking at you.
Oh, please.
How old are you, Grandma?
How old am I? How old am I, Jenny?
91.
Ah! 91.
91.
91.
And Olivia is 5 months.
And Olivia's 5 months.
What?
Olivia's
see?
5 months.
You want to see her go at the bottle? Watch.
What? What?
Olivia's 5 months.
Oh, yeah, 5 months old. Yeah.
She wants it.
Okay, see how nice my dough is coming?
Very
You
nice.
gotta eat it. Eat these pizzas. See how nice the dough is coming, Jenny? Nice and soft.
Gotta knead it till it's nice and smooth
Yeah.
and incorporated.
You have to eat it until you think that you did enough. See, there's nothing in there. See?
So it's all together.
Yeah.
It's nice, the stone counter makes it easy.
I know. And now after
Okay.
it's done,
After it's all kneaded, then what?
yeah, you just keep put it in a bowl, like so, and press down on it. See? And it's got to be nice and soft. This here has to be. Doesn't have to be thick. If it's thick, it's disgusting thick.
And you put a little flour in the bottom of the
but
bowl?
yeah, you do that. Yeah, it'll come out, you know. But
It
and
stops
you
it
put your
from
fingers
sticking.
in it, like so.
Okay.
Put the fingers in it like so. That's it. Cover it up with Mommy said. What you got?
And then we cover with a
You get a linen cloth.
linen cloth,
Wet.
cover it.
No, not
Cover it.
working.
I put wet, and then it keeps it moist.
I know,
Does
but it
it
depends on
dry?
how she does her recipe.
Okay, all right.
Oh, what?
You're gonna cover it and then you gotta let it
Cover it, let
rise
it
for
rise,
how
yeah.
long?
No, until you think it's ready to go?
A couple hours? What?
Yeah, a couple hours. That's why 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah.
Okay.
You see,
Okay. We'll
it'll
check it.
just puff right up.
Check it
I
later.
like this thing. I like where it came to this morning. All right.
Okay. So the dough for the pizzas, breakfast pizzas, has been rising. 7, 8, 9, 10, 3 hours. And now it is full to the top.
Look at that puppy.
And it's perfect and ready. It's very soft and springy. And then it's ready for the next step. Okay, Grandma. So you so we took the dough out, you roll it out. How thick? 1/4 inch, Grandma?
Huh?
How thick? 1/4 inch?
Oh, yeah. You can feel it. Your finger has to make They're like this.
Little
See?
dents in there. Okay.
Yeah.
And then you cut them in.
This would be big pizza for them.
Cut it in long strips, about 2 inches wide,
Yeah.
and then you cut it in these kind of triangle or
Any
angle.
shape. You can make them
Any
round,
shape. Any shape. But
Anything you want with them.
Grandma
Just
always
do
makes
like
them
this,
in
see?
cookie cutters.
yeah, you can use anything. But Grandma always makes them like this, in these shapes,
Like diamonds. Or,
like diamonds, whatever you want to call it. And then we're gonna roll out all the dough, roll them all out, and then we fry them, and then they puff up in the middle and make
Oh, do they puff up?
a hollow center. And
yeah, but
then
after she cuts them, she covers them so they rise a little bit more.
I want to just get that
Okay.
thing out of there when they come out. Where is
cut them, and then we'll cover them.
And that-
They rise
and
a little bit more.
it? And that,
Fry them, and then we make the cinnamon sugar mix. What's the cinnamon sugar mix?
Cinnamon sugar.
How much?
oh,
Your taste of
about
cinnamon.
2 tablespoons or 3 tablespoons to your own taste, you know.
Okay. So when you eat them, you dip them in the cinnamon and sugar, and then eat
Or
them.
you can even make them with sauce and cheese.
Sauce, cheese on it, anything you want, my baby.
Okay, so you use what kind of oil, Grandma?
Yep, well, yep.
What kind?
It's all oil because that doesn't smell when it burns, you know.
Mazola oil.
Yeah.
Make sure the oil's nice and hot, and then you gently put in the pizzas. And it's the same kind of dough, even for just regular pizza dough.
So there's something
But
on this.
we have these for breakfast,
Yeah.
I got this, Grandma.
and they need to be just nice and golden brown. Beautiful.
This is burning, Tony.
Golden brown, just like this.
That damn pan, I don't
So you
like
let them cook, and then we put them in the bowl with some paper towels just to soak up any extra grease. And then when you eat them, you make some cinnamon and sugar mix, and then you can dip just like that. Then you eat it.
Cinnamon.
Cinnamon.
Wait here.
Beautiful, beautiful.
it. Ray, get some pizza here.
Everyone's doing their job perfectly.
Careful, they're in between.
I know. That's why I'm not going. I'm not having a miracle.
Mama, if you go sit down, I can do the rest for you.
Sure, Mama.
Okay, I
What
don't
do
know.
we got? That's all we have?
That's it, Mom.
Oh, we eat them all. Good.
What are we making today?
We're
Right now.
making pumpkin dog treats for the puppies because they have to have something too.
Okay.
So we're going to put I'm going to double the batch. I'm putting 4 tablespoons of peanut butter. It really should be no salt peanut butter, but we don't really have it. So. And I'm measuring out the peanut butter. You don't need a lot, just for the taste. Okay. Then we're going to do 4 eggs.
Okay.
Doubling the batch.
We had pumpkin. How much pumpkin?
A cup.
Okay. For a double batch.
Yeah. And then the doggies can eat the rest of it. 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock.
Then next we're going to add the flour. And we use this kind of flour just from Walmart. And it's going to be 5 cups of flour. As you're adding the flour, it's going to get harder to mix. And so you get to the point where you have to mix it with your hands.
Really should be done on the counter because this bowl is it's interfering with how
Yeah,
I
you
have to
can
grab
put it on the counter and then mix in the rest of the flour. So these mats are called Silpat mats. You can get them at probably online or at, where did you say?
We got it at Bed Bath & Beyond,
Bed Bath & Beyond, and they are baking sheets
so they don't burn.
so they don't burn. Okay, so get all your shapes cut out. And we're gonna throw them in the oven for 350 for how long? Couple,
Probably
what?
15, 20 minutes. Just depends on your oven. Sometimes the ovens cook faster.
10, 15 minutes.
Yeah, I
and
wouldn't
we'll
go
check
no more
them.
than 15 minutes because I didn't want them to get burned on the bottom.
Yeah, just make sure they're not burning on the bottom. Okay, now the dough is mixed, and then we're gonna roll it out and cut some.
And you want to make it thick enough so it doesn't enjoy its bite. You know what I mean? And not make it really thin because it'll burn.
1/4 inch.
Yeah, it'll burn. I'll show you. You like that? See the thickness? Because if you make them too thin, they're going to burn, and they'll get really hard. My dogs gobble these babies up. They love them.
Where is Nico? Where's Nikki? Where'd he go?
Sorry, I didn't know. She wake up already.
Grandma's making breakfast as soon as Jenny's got home.
It's a baby.
She's sleeping. Baby.